Well, we got us a coyote over here on the first day already. I'm gonna get the gun and put him down, and then I'll try and get a little closer and get you a good picture of him before I put him down. Just swing in here, pup. It's a young one. Looks like a yearling. Starting to get some good guard hair on him. Okay, we're going to put him down and then we'll get back to you. Okay, it's pretty windy out here. I'm not sure how well you're going to hear me. It's a young male. He's in real good shape. And I'm going to take him out of the trap and then I'll show you how I remake this set. See, that number 3 Bridger has a really good hold on him. This is a trap setter for these number 3s. They get a little better leverage on them. There we go. Good looking young dog. It is colder than a well digger's tail end out here this morning, folks, I'll tell you. The wind is just howling out of the north. Have my trap pan set directly on the center of my dog. Kind of like that, if you can see that. And I'll level it off a little bit. Dig our trap bed out again. I do have a shock spring on here. I got 3-4 swivel points. Okay. All I'll do is I'll just push a little dirt in around here like this. Wax paper out here if I can keep from shivering so bad. I got this pre-cut to the length that I need for my number 3 Bridger traps. Dirt on this to keep the wind from blowing it away. I just keep it in a Ziploc bag here to keep it halfway clean. Now I'm just going to push some of this loose dirt right in here like this. Use the dirt that coyote feed on and everything, just to clean it up a little bit around here. up here like this. Kind of make a little walk-through set here. Just like that. And I need to get a little bit of a hole right here. Usually I got a tool to do that with. I just don't feel like walking back over the truck now. Okay. All that is just a rotten mouse. Put that stick in over him like that so that the next coyote will have to dig it out a little bit. And that's all there is to a good coyote set right there. Alright. Put another one over it like this. Keep the birds from seeing it. Okay, that's done. So we'll just shut this down for now.